is our stakeholders. Uh, Objective of Indian Association of Principal is to strengthen the education system and to facilitate world-class opportunities for the stakeholders. Uh, the focus of Indian education system is on knowledge sharing, empowerment, and leadership. When you are looking at the knowledge, uh, it is to make India as a knowledge economy, which is based on the innovation and research. And we have been talking of the demographic dividend in terms of the youngest hands India is having. But this demographic dividend also needs to be turned into assets rather than turning into an liability. And education and skilling is one main area which will focus on making this as an asset rather than the liabilities. We are going to work towards nation building through right skill set and entrepreneurship, knowledge sharing among the community members and stakeholders, publish reports, papers, books, etc. This is going to be part of the knowledge building. Then we will focus on building the leadership, which is world-class opportunities for the stakeholders. Uh, then it is the global linkages for the community, for the institutes, and the associations, building a pool of knowledgeable, empowered leaders, which will drive the Indian education system in times to come. There will be lot of focus on peer mentoring and peer sharing of knowledge. Empowerment, we're going to work on policy advocacy with the government bodies, representative. We will push for our representation in these bodies. Collective voice to the principals. Operational issues from time to time concerned with the education system will be taken up with the respective body. Lot of focus would be even in terms of aspiring or would be principals. So we end up building a pool of people who can drive Indian education system in times to come. We also going to work on to expedite the academic, social, and culture and economic development in these times to come. And our focus is like a teacher, a true teacher is someone who adds value to the person sitting on the last bench, last seat. So our objective of the association is also take the opportunities whose position or a station at the last mile was too far away from the opportunity. So it becomes an equitable opportunity platform. And a lot of it will be done through the peer mentoring, peer sharing of knowledge. How, in terms of action plan, we are going to go about it? We have a national council, we have an advisory council, we're going to have state councils, and then we'll have a district council. The national council is totally dedicated to the principals and ex-principals, the former principals. The advisory council is dedicated to all other stakeholders which are not principals or ex-principals. So they are people from policymakers, international educational experts, the people from higher education, skilling, and other fields. And the reason why we have advisory council, national council separately, because what we felt in Indian education system, there's a gap between the higher education and the school education. So they need to work together. The higher education should understand what is happening at the school level. And the school education people also need to understand what is required at the higher education. As I said in the beginning, the objective, which is a phased manner, is that we work towards first building the strong foundation. That is, we are starting with the school education, catching them young in terms of entrepreneurship and skilling, seamlessly integrating into higher education, and then linking it in the last phase, linking it to the employability. So it is an end-to-end, starting from the basic, linking to end is livelihood. That's our objective. And as I said, this organization is for the principal, is to be driven by the principal. So we look forward to more ideas, thoughts, and leadership coming from the principals to drive this organization. And we are here to facilitate you. Whatever say, we will provide, the team will provide you all back end support. And once again, I'm thankful to all of you. I mean, you are more knowledgeable, you are more expert when it comes to education. We intend to learn a lot from you as the journey goes on. Once again, thanks everyone.